This is Chuck. Chuck is our packing expert. He will be showing us how to pack mirrors for your move day. If you're packing your own belongings for your upcoming move, large mirrors can seem daunting to pack on your own. Chuck and I will break down the process of moving a large mirror and how to ensure its safety during the move. Today we will be using a mirror pack. Mirror packs are an open box that are used for stacking onto mirrors or paintings to protect them. To start, pad the mirror pack with packing paper to protect the mirror when placed inside. Depending on how large the item you're packing is, you will need to use 2 or more mirror packs to get complete coverage of the mirror. This is a paper pad. Paper pads have more cushion than normal packing paper, which makes it perfect for delicate items. Next up is wrapping the mirror. If you don't have paper pads, you can replace them with comforters, blankets, or any other cushiony wrapping material. After that, place the mirror packs on the wrapped mirror, giving the entire mirror coverage. And finally, tape the mirror packs together.
You get to do the fun part. Unwrapping this bad boy.
Thank you for watching, and for more tips, be sure to like our Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.